The dogs were good again this week. Here are my top 10. At number 10, we have a dog who's having a difficult time at the pond. At number 9, we have a tie between Denny and Bailey, only because I don't know what either of them are doing. Here's Denny.
Лучше не стоит этого делать. Дэнни, не залазь на диван. Мама только что его очистила от твоей шерсти.
Что он сделал?
Все нормально.
And Bailey. At number 8, we have some Huskies who can hear a whipped cream can from miles away. They just kept appearing. At number 7, we have Milo. He is incredibly sneaky and his legs are longer than you're expecting.
Milo. Milo.
At number 6, we have WallE. He got a new Frisbee toy, but he's so small that he's using it as a bed. And that's the cutest thing I've ever heard. At number 5, we have Archibald. He's been holding in a sneeze since last September. At number 4, we have a tie between 3 dogs who all perfectly executed some heists this week. We have this dachshund. And then 2 dogs who devised a plan together. One pretended to throw up while the other stole some cake. At number 3, we have Doug. He scared away some mean geese who were blocking his little human's way home.
Go, bud, go.
Proud dad. Who's the best bull?
At number 2, we have Kelby. She is a lifeguard at Beltsville State Park, and she just made her 4th rescue of the summer. A man was in distress in the water when she responded. She towed him over to their boat and helped him aboard.
We were able to stabilize him in the water, bring him back to our boat, and he didn't require any further treatment or first aid.
She is so good at her job, she helps instruct the younger dogs in the crew. Our honorable mention this week is Teddy Bear. He won 4th place at a recent goat show, and his human Milo could not have been prouder.
Hello, goat.
Before we get to our number 1 dog of the week, I know it's only August, but our 2026 calendars are available now. The daily one features a new dog every single day, accompanied by our caption and of course, their official rating. It has already been delivered to our cover dog, Peanut, who is only a little bit bigger than he was in the calendar photo. We also have a wall calendar, and you can find them both through the link in our bio. Our number 1 dog of the week is Tommy. He is a 3-year-old service dog for his human Hank, who has PTSD.
He's my hero. He is.
One morning, shortly after his wife went to work, Hank was woken up by Tommy barking and pawing at him.
So I'm like, okay, I said, well, maybe he's got to go to the bathroom. And so I get up and all of a sudden I notice it. I'm like dizzy, I'm lightheaded.
He realized his heart rate was incredibly high and rushed himself to the hospital. Doctors shocked his heart back into rhythm. They said he probably would have never woken up if it wasn't for Tommy.
He laid on my chest for hours. I believe that if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be sitting here right now.